I'm Stephanie Phillips. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be boiling eggs. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect soft, jammy, and hard boiled. Boiling eggs can be a pretty divisive topic for some reason. There are a lot of myths out there. Baking soda, cold water, hot water. I'm going to show you how to actually get the perfect yolks every time. And we're going to start with soft boiled. So for our soft boiled eggs, we're looking for super white whites, but on the opposite spectrum, we want very runny yolks. To see which soft boiled egg time is the best, we're going to test 4 different options. Okay, so we've got our water boiling. We want it to start at boiling because we want to be able to control the exact precise cook time. If you put the eggs in with cold water, it's going to take about 5 minutes for the water to heat up. And in that time, the eggs are cooking. So it's a little bit harder to control. That's why I like to start with boiling water. With soft boiled eggs, we're not trying to peel them really. We want to eat them directly out of the shell. So we're not worried about that there. And we want the eggs completely covered in water so we make sure we get an even cook. And we want the water boiling, but we don't want it boiling too rapidly that the eggs are kind of jumping around because then they will crack. So the reason why we're not putting these in an ice bath is because we actually want to eat our soft-boiled eggs warm, and we're not too worried about them cooking or overcooking in the residual heat. Usually we eat soft-boiled eggs in a little egg cup. If you don't have one of those, a shot glass works really well. I have this cute little egg tray that I'm gonna use. So you just wanna crack a little like hat at the top of the egg basically. And then get your little spoon in there, pop it right off. So this white is completely white. It's not slimy at all. That's what we're looking for. The yolk, on the other hand, is extremely runny, which makes it perfect for dipping. The other cook times were too solid, in my opinion, to be considered soft-boiled, so I actually remade them and ran them under cold water to stop them from cooking further so we can more accurately see the cook time reflected in the final result. So now it's time to test our jammy eggs. Jammy eggs are usually seen in like ramen, salads, maybe even a rice bowl. It's basically when the yolk is soft enough to spread, kind of like a jam. So for this, we're gonna test 8, 9, 10, and the 11-minute mark, which might actually push us up into the hard-boiled territory, but I think our perfect number is within this ballpark. So the main difference between our soft-boiled and our jammy eggs is that we're gonna shock our jammy eggs. So I've got an ice bath prepared here. Shocking just means we're taking something hot and dumping it into cold. This is gonna stop the cooking completely so that we can control the exact cook time that we wanna get. Another reason why we shock our jammy eggs is because we're gonna peel them. Some people say that adding baking soda or maybe even vinegar makes them easier to peel. In my experience, those are just myths. What actually works is shocking them afterwards. So my trick for easy peelable eggs is as soon as you put them in the water, crack it on the bottom and then dump it back in the water. What this is gonna do is allow the cold water to penetrate underneath the membrane, that kind of like thin, clear skin that's underneath the shell before the egg. And that cold water is gonna lift that off of the egg and just make them incredibly easy to peel. No baking soda, no vinegar. That's all you have to do for an easy peelable egg. As kind of expected, the 8-minute egg was the most jammy of the bunch, while the rest were closer to hard-boiled. All right, we're at our last stage in the test. We're doing our hard-boiled eggs. For this, we're doing things a little bit differently. We are starting with cold water in our pot. As for timings, we've got 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're gonna put the eggs directly into the cold water, then transfer this to the stove and bring it up to a gradual boil. Cooking these from cold is gonna allow us to get a very even cook throughout and help us avoid that grayish green circle that you sometimes get around the edge of yolks when you're hard boiling eggs. We're gonna peel these, get them on the tray so we can see which time is our favorite. These were honestly all pretty similar, varying slightly in firmness of the whites and dryness of the yolks. We've officially tested all of our times, and I think we've got 3 winners. In the soft boil category, my favorite is the 4-minute mark. It's got that white that's a little firm, but still has that super runny, deep orange yolk, which is perfect for dipping with toast, especially if there's a lot of butter on there, maybe some salt and pepper. For the jammy egg, my favorite was the 8-minute mark, although it was really close between that and 7 minutes. But at 8 minutes, we start to see a little bit of pale edges. We still get that deep golden orange in the middle that's jammy and spreadable. So we're gonna give it to 8 minutes, but it was close. And then finally, for hard boiled, my favorite was the 12-minute mark. Not my favorite for eating every day, but still great for things like deviled eggs or maybe even egg salad. It was still pale and solid all the way through, but not overdone to the point where it's like chalky and pasty. All right, that's it. I've got a lot of eggs to eat, so we're gonna end the video here. If you want more videos just like this one, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you there. Bye.